Hello everyone, I am Sneha. This year I got an opportunity to participate in KP West Ward Science Exhibition to present my teaching aid. So this is my working model in which I will be teaching a concept of balancing chemical reaction. So first let's see how this model works. So in this model we will be dealing with various concepts of chemistry. One of the concept is balancing chemical reactions. To present that, I have put an actual balance over here. One side of the pan balance shows the reactants, other side of the pan balance shows the products. What we have taken here is some cubes which have information about the elements written. For example, this cube here represents an atom of hydrogen. So I have written symbol on one side, the atomic number on the other side, atomic mass number on one side, and its valency on one side. Likewise, I have made cubes representing various different atoms. Now we will see how this model works to help learners understand the concept of balancing chemical reactions. For example, the reaction that we will be learning here is when magnesium metal reacts with hydrochloric acid. The product formed in this reaction are magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas is given off. Let's see using this model how we will balance this reaction. This atom here represents magnesium metal. So I will add that in the reactant side. It also reacts with a molecule of hydrochloric acid. These two cubes here represent a molecule of hydrochloric acid. I will put them in the reactant side along with magnesium. Now as I said, in this reaction magnesium chloride is formed as a product. So this is a molecule of magnesium chloride wherein one atom of magnesium and two atoms of chlorine. I'll add them in the product side. In this reaction, hydrogen gas is given off. So these two cubes represent a molecule of hydrogen. Again they will be added to the product side. Soon as I add them to the product side, what has happened is the product side went down in the beam balance. Why? Because product side has now 5 atoms whereas the reactant side has only 3 atoms. This chemical reaction will be seen balanced only if the number of atoms on the reactant side will be same as the number of atoms on the product side. What do we need here to balance this chemical reaction? If we closely see, magnesium's one atom is here present on both reactant and product side. Hydrogen and chlorine are one atom each on reactant side, whereas on product side we see 2 atoms of hydrogen and 2 atoms of chlorine. To balance this, what we need here is we need to add one more atom of hydrogen and one more atom of chlorine. So that one atom of hydrogen and one atom of chlorine form nothing but a molecule of hydrochloric acid. This molecule of hydrochloric acid, when added to the reactant side, the reactant will become balanced. And now we see that the number of atoms on the reactant side are same as number of atoms on the product side, and thus we say that the chemical reaction is balanced. This was just an example reaction which I demonstrated here in front of you for this video. Likewise, we can show many such reactions by putting the same number of atoms in the reactant side and same number of atoms to the product side. This will help the learner in an interactive way to understand the concept of balancing chemical reactions. To simplify this concept further, I have also made these atoms representing various different elements. We can make use of them to explain variety of such chemical reactions and help children understand the concept of balancing chemical reactions.